Hey, thank you for clicking on this video. I'm Ariel Sketcher. Welcome to my channel where I review different types of gel among other videos. On this video, I'll be showing you how I apply Eco Styling Gel on my natural hair. I washed and dried my hair so that it has moisture in it. This makes the hair flexible and easy to style with the gel to get better results, especially on the 4-type hair. I'll be doing a low bun with a middle part. And I'm encouraging you to like the video, subscribe if you like content like this. And if you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will be happy to reply. After applying the gel, I'm going in with a comb to make sure the product gets in the hair and the scalp. Next is to tie my hair into a low bun with a thread. Next is my favorite part. I'm going to use a brush to brush my hair and slick it down now. Lastly, I use a head wrap to hold everything together and make the hair hold so that it can also last longer. Here are the final results. I hope you enjoyed and you learned from the video. If you have any question, leave a comment in the comment section. For more information concerning the product, check the description box. Also, remember to like the video, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you on my next video. You can also connect with me on my social media pages at Ariel Sketcher on Instagram, Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on TikTok, and also I have a website www.arielsketcher.com. See you on my next video. Bye.